Two astronauts working on the International Space Station accidentally lost a tool bag that is now floating 250 miles above Earth and can be seen by eager stargazers, contributing to a collection of space junk, including some oddities, that experts warn could make it tough to operate in Earth's orbit or send items plummeting to Earth. This isn't the first time humans have lost something in space. In 2006, a NASA astronaut accidentally let go of a spatula he was using to work on the side of the Discovery space shuttle, and it entered the atmosphere about 4 months later. "That was my favorite spatch. Don't tell the other spatulas," the astronaut, Piers Sellers, reportedly joked. An 18-pound bag holding a 5-foot-long debris shield was lost during a spacewalk in 2017, and a tool bag worth $100,000 was lost by an astronaut conducting repairs on the International Space Station in 2008. Months later, it plunged toward Earth and burned up as it re-entered the atmosphere. A glove was lost during a spacewalk in 1965, and a bolt, a spring and a washer were accidentally let loose in 2006. UN researchers have said an increasing amount of junk in the space near Earth could make it difficult for humans to operate in the planet's orbit, as satellites and space stations like the ISS risk getting pelted by debris. Researchers warned that even a small amount of space debris can risk damaging the satellites that make things like GPS, communications and weather monitoring possible, and fill Earth's orbit with so much shrapnel that it becomes unusable. Other items, like uncontrolled rocket parts, could eventually return to Earth. A paper published last year in Nature Astronomy said there is a 10% chance of uncontrolled rocket parts returning to Earth, causing one or more casualties over the next decade. Space has a garbage problem. A report published by the United Nations last month warned 0.25%. That's how many of the 34,260 objects tracked in orbit are working satellites, the United Nations report said, and the rest are considered junk. There are also likely around 130 million pieces of debris too small to be tracked.